Introducing Aviationexam e-textbooks. Aviationexam electronic e-textbooks explain the matter required for EASA exams, namely the ATPL license exams. However, students preparing for other airplane licenses like CPL or instrument rating can benefit from these e-textbooks too. Each title covers all of the learning objectives of the subject, including various tips, illustrations, and other media. What are the main benefits? The e-textbooks follows the structure of the official EASA learning objectives, and each objective is explained. E-textbooks are linked to Aviationexam EASA test preparation database. Is the explanation of the question not enough? Click and be transferred to the relevant chapter in the e-textbook. Electronic form offers many advantages: zero weight, instant updates, and interactive content. All learning objectives are covered and are interactive. Bookmarks, write notes, highlight, search functionalities, and much more.